Hey guys, it's me Heather and I'm back with another video, and today we are talking about my favorite products from my favorite brand, Huda Beauty. I got just a variety here. I did not bring one product because I talk about it all the time in every video, and I know you're gonna say that's enough. So I tried to do a little variety here. Basically everything I've ever bought from her has been a favorite, but I just wanted to share some in case you were interested and you wanted reviews on them. So these are gonna be quick little mini reviews. But one of my absolute favorite things is the Huda Beauty, obviously, Sugar Cookie Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. And this is for like a more fair skin tones. She has, I don't know how many, but she has a variety. And it just has a little sifter here, which, I mean, it is a total mess, but I just usually just flip it and use what's in the lid. It's really good under the eyes. It helps set your concealer, which is another favorite. You put this concealer on and you can put this on, and it doesn't make you look tired or give you that ghostly like under eye. And it also works really good to kind of set if you are oily. I take it on like a beauty blender and kind of roll it in around my nose, and then I do it loosely with the brush under my eyes and stuff. But I love that. So if you are curious about it, I definitely recommend it, and I think it'll work for any age range. So as I briefly mentioned, her concealer, I'm in the shade Marshmallow 028. I think that's what that says. Oh, 02B. I don't have my glasses on. It's a high coverage creamy concealer, and it looks like these. And then it has this cool little metal tip here, which I really enjoy. And it kind of fits perfect, like in the corner of the eye. It's very creamy, it has great coverage, and if you have been curious about it, again, I think this is something that... So this is another amazing product, so if you were curious about it, I recommend anybody picking that up. And like I said, I am in my late 30s, and it works great for my under eyes. It doesn't create like wrinkles or anything, so... and also if you're more youthful and you don't have that problem, I think you'll like the coverage. So some fun items. These are the false lashes. I love, it's so fun. I love the back of these. I love that she puts her face on and everything because she's beautiful. So, but these are the false lashes. My favorites are the Samantha number 7. Hopefully you can see that. These are obviously new. I have not used these, but I've purchased the Samantha several times. These are the Fair number 12. I mean, beautiful. And then number 3s are also, they're great quality. You can get several uses out of these because they are such a good quality. If you just clean them off with a Q-tip and put them back, like I keep the little packaging and just kind of stick them back on there. So they're like $22 or so, but they're definitely worth it. And if you just want them for a special occasion, you can't go wrong with those. These have been in several favorites, and I'm still loving them. So they're almost out. Like I've used them to the point that, so you can tell that these are almost empty here. I'm scraping the sides. Love these. They are the Huda Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. I just brought 2 to show you, but I have like maybe 5 or 6, and this one is the blue, which I love this just to kind of do that pop of color under the eye. You can do the glittery on the corner, do the little halo. They are so quick and easy, and just in case you have not seen them, look how beautiful those colors are. Love, 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 love. Okay, now on to some fun stuff. This is her highlighting palette. This one is in the shade, I think it's, oh, Pink Sands edition. And I mean, hello, beautiful. You can get the pretty blush and then some highlights. This is also a really pretty blush topper. Gorgeous, super pigmented. So love that. It's great for summer. I don't know if I showed you the cover of that, but I mean, hello, Blonde Huda. And then the next 3 things are the same like genre of things, but just different versions. So of course, my favorite is going to be this neon palette. This is the neon orange. Every time I wear this, I get compliments. It doesn't matter if it's at Target or at a restaurant or friends, family. People compliment this every time I wear it. It's gorgeous. It's a favorite. It's like 28 bucks. Also in that same line are these Obsessions. This one's the Emerald. I also have the Ruby and a couple others. Very, very pigmented. These are in a little cardboard. You can travel with that, put that down in your purse, and you got all these beautiful colors. So just find the shade range that you love. And again, I think that's like 28 bucks. Now my favorite that has surpassed all the other palettes from Huda is the new Nudes. And you can tell how much it has been loved. It is crumbly and falling apart because I have used it so much. This is absolutely gorgeous. Again, look at the front of it. My favorite thing about the Huda palettes, all of them, they are what you see. You get the color payoff. You don't have to make it work. You can use any old brush, any old primer, and you're gonna get amazing color. And I just love, this is not normally my colors, but I just absolutely love this. And again, it's another one that anytime I wear it, people say, what eyeshadow are you wearing? What eye look are you wearing? Is it a palette? Can I buy it? And it's this. Like, I have gotten so if you are eyeballing this, curious about it, do not hesitate to pick this up. Ask for it for your birthday. Christmas will be here before we know it. This is an amazing palette. So if you have any questions about anything I've shown, please leave that down in the comments below. Be sure you're subscribed. Turn on your post notifications so you don't ever miss a video. And I will talk to you next time.